Uy, ay, ay. Good morning. I just wake up now because we sleep late, very late really this day. And then I realized ba na we didn't post anything in Facebook, no? Yesterday pa dito I post in Facebook. I thought we have post ba, no? So I decided to make one ba, make Q&A, no? Nya tong presyo kay 2 kilo rice, unya 150 ha. Una diha, pang kuan ba, pang patugig sardinas ba? Oh. Nya, kanang i-deliver lang po na. We will still deliver ha. So even though kanang kuan from Luzon, Visayas, or Mindanao mo sa Pilipinas. So, don't worry, okay. We gonna convert the money into, the rice into money, ha? Yeah. Kanang, I think, kanang, wa man tay sabon doon, we don't have soap this time, so we just send it Gcash, ha? Gcash lang ta kay, wa man tay sabon doon. Kung na sabon, for sure, we gonna send it we gonna send it ang money with the soap, ha? But, because we don't have, wa man tay sabon. So, kuan lang, ato lang na i-convert yung money. And then, kanang may question ba? So, you must know this answer because I don't post a lot in YouTube. Wala na wala mo ko nag-post a lot. So, small naman to. So, if you look the video, you will win. If you don't look the video, sorry. Oh. So, be sure na nag-subscribe ka. Ang bito na, ang ito na subscribe ba? Nya, i-share po ng video ha. Nya, comment po si mo answer diha ha. Nya, ito. Wala na ako, dili ako pa ako na, I will not make it so long ba ha. So, I'm gonna make it short ba para dili mo kapuyo no paminaw nako ba no, and your data to ba will not be run out ba no. So we listen ha. So this is the question on this question. Queenie have said to me and my husband that she will buy a vegetable for me and a crab and a fish and fricadelle, and her fa she will buy a hot dog, and then what else she will buy on her fa, and then I asked her, what about you, what you want? And then she said blank. What is that, blank? Oy, what you say, what you want? Nadiha kanang what you want, oy, it's a blank. I asked her, how about you, what you want? Then she answered blank. Saan na blank? Fill in the blank, oy, nadiha. Nabi na sa test ha, kung mag-test sa kuan ha, sa ato ang exam ha, na fill in the blank. So may blank ana, oy, nadiha. I-comment din ha, comment din kay mamili ta og tulo ka buok na diha, mamili tag tulo ka buok ha. Nya dayon ato din post dayon ang winner ha, para excited po ba no. Sige, mao sa na, that's it for now. Bye.